So today I want to give you one exercise. Let me discuss the problem. It is depending on friend class. Friend. Two problems are there. One is a friend, but depending on friend, and another is non-member function. Create a class called who. Who is the class name? Have whose constructor. So it is having a constructor function. Take one character argument. So it is also taking an argument as a character that will be used to identify the object and object. Okay, so it is taking an character argument which is identifying an object. Have the constructor display a message similar to this when constructing an object. So what is the message? Constructing who hash x. So whenever object is created, constructor function will be called and it will display a message constructing who hash x, where x is the identifying character associated with each object. When an object is destroyed, have a message similar to the below. So destroying who hash x. So destructor job is to display a message destroying who hash x. X is the identifying character, that is the object name you have created. Where again x is the identifying character. Finally, create a function called make2. So make2 is a non-member function that returns who object, give give each object a unique name. So return type of non-member function is your class data type. So basically we are having non-member function void app, int app in this type. So here we will have who make2. Now let us see the way of the solution. So class who is the class name? So this class one member data cat of character type has been declared. It is taking only 1 byte. Oh, so why it is given? Because constructor function is taking one character argument that will be assigned to this member data. Public who cat c name equal to c. C out constructing who hash x, who hash, then name will be displayed. So it will display constructing who hash, then name of the object. So it will depend on your main function when you are creating object who, then object name that will be passed to this one and it will be displayed. And destructor function, what it is doing, see out destroying who hash, then name whatever the object you will create in main function, that will come with the value here. That value will be assigned to this name will be displayed here. So I did not give the main function, so you have to write the main function. So your job of today's class is to uh, write the main and submit in Google Classroom as a comment in question. I will write the question classwork. So you will write the answer as a in classwork section. Now another problem. Imagine a situation in which two classes called PR1 and PR2 shown here. So here the program has given share one printer. Further, imagine that other parts of your program need to know when the printer is in use by an object of either of these two classes. Create a function called in use that returns true when the printer is being used by either and false otherwise. Make this function a friend of both PR1 and PR2. So there is a class, two classes PR1, PR2. In use is friend of both these classes. So you know whenever two same function is both friend of both the classes, how to do the program. And the way it has been done, I have given the solution. Only one setPrint function has taken as member function, that is setting the status of the printer. whether printing status is yes or no. If it is yes, then do this. If it is no, then do it. I will circulate the document. Then friend in team news PR1 O1. So friend of both classes. So both classes object will be passed. So the main the area of confusion I am explaining. So here both the classes objects will be passed because it is a friend of both the classes. And one class has to be forward declared, that will be later defined. Okay, PR2 has been later defined, so forward declaration. So friend in use, see, then in news PR1 PR2. So this is the body of this in news. Main function has been done in this way. So it is you can do the program in your machine, compile it, execute it, see the output. It is a nice program. So for today's class, only this much is. So do the solution of the who class, write the main function. Okay.